Hi friends, I am Kunal Suryavanshi. As you can see from the title, there is a question over here that can we automate GST portal using UiPath? So the answer is yes. And the what part we are going to automate in from the GST portal? It is GSTR1 filing using UiPath. First of all, what is GSTR1? GSTR1 is nothing but a monthly or quarterly return that is filed by the taxpayers under GST. It is a statement of outward supplies of goods or services that a taxpayer has made in a particular tax period. Okay, let's say I'll give you an example because you can pause and read this slide. In shortcut, it is nothing but, let's say, of 1 month, how much invoices a particular company has done. That is nothing but outward supply, means bills, we can say bills or invoices that they have created and given to their customers. This is outward supply, bills. Okay. So these details, the particular accounts person of that company or their CA, like that, they have to file the GSTR1. Either there are two options available on GST portal. Either they can do monthly or quarterly. Okay. So why this is important? This is important to calculate the input tax credit liable to the recipient. This I'll show you in an example. Let's say there is a company A that sell product to company B. The product cost is 100 rupees and GST over it is 18%. Okay. So 18% on 100, it's 18 rupees. So it became 118 total to company B. So GST A has given invoice to company B. So company B gets an input tax credit of 18 rupees. When, only when, we should say here, only when company A files GSTR1 before 10th of next month. This is made mandatory by GST only, by government, that if it is filed before 10th, then only it will be reflected at company B side that they will receive input tax credit while filing uh, their payable GST tax. Okay. So what is input tax credit? Is it is nothing but, uh, let's say I have my payable GST was 100. I got an input of 18 rupees. So it will be 100 minus 18. Okay. As simple as that. Okay. So I have created an automation to automate the GSTR1. Okay. So I'll show you my input file. First of all, the input file is this one. It will be a standard input file. Here there is a GST number, company name, invoice number, invoice date, invoice date, invoice number, receiver's name. Okay. Let's see. In what is the invoice value? All these fields are there. Okay, we'll just close this. Okay. So the bot will go to this Excel file and get these records and add it to a queue on our orchestrator. Okay, on orchestrator. This is our queue, GSTR1 filing. Here the records will be added. So bot will pick one by one records and start processing on the GST portal. Okay. Once all records are done, it will stop. Okay. I have not yet added the reporting part. I've just automated it till now. But I'll show you has it completed or not. Okay. So for now, I'll just go to the UiPath assistant and just play this. Okay. I have tested this 1 month ago while filing previous month GSTR1. Okay. So I'll just run it now. Okay. Now over here, the bot has gone somewhere else only. Okay. So I got the reason for it that I have not updated the period into the asset. So it is configurable. Okay. So we don't have to change any code. I'll just do it. I'll stop it. It has completed. Okay. Let's go back and back. I'll log out. Log in. There is captcha over here. That's why I have not automated the login step. Okay. I wasn't able to get this captcha by UiPath. If you have done this before, you can comment me. You can tell me how to do this. Okay. So I just bring the bot over this screen while the when the bot starts, it should be on this screen. Okay. So I'll go to now. Here in the assets, what I have to change is the month to February. Okay. February. Okay. February spelling has to be correct. Yeah. Right. So it's updated February. So now I just have to go to again to orchestrator to queue. Over here you can see 8 records are remaining. So I'll just do one thing. I'll show you uh, how it is added. Means its reference number is added. Reference number is nothing but the addition of GST number plus invoice number. Okay. And what are the fields that are okay? The required fields are GST number, receiver's name. Nothing. This is nothing but that customer's name. Okay, and this is the invoice value subtotal. Okay, these are the fields. Close it. So for now, I'll clear this queue. Shortcut is to select this, delete this. Okay, add queue as and force getting. Okay. So now I just have to go to UiPath Assistant again. Come over here, click on Run button. Okay. Okay, the water started. Okay, it has selected February. Perfect. It has started inputting the invoice numbers. It's going very fast. First record is done. Let's go into second record. This is going to help the accountants or CA person who do monthly GST R1 filing every month. Because as I have searched, means as I know, GSTR1 needs every records to be entered on the GST portal. GSTR3B is nothing but the calculation that are put on GST portal and then it is filed. Okay. So let's say there are n number of records. All those will be done by bot. Okay. And it is repetitive. It you might be seeing that it is doing very fast. And there are chances, sometimes what happened, some CA or some accountant also can make mistake while doing the entries. And then the receiver who receives these input tax credit says that I have not received the input tax, so I have to pay more GST. So sometimes they don't even pay the, let's say, there is pay the bill amount of that particular party because of this error. Okay, so the records are processed. Okay, I'll show you. Can see over here 8 records. See, 5 records are of these and 3 records are of this. Okay, we'll go back now. Can see all are processed records. Okay, so there were only 8 records now, and how much time it take only 2 minutes, 1.59 seconds, 2 minutes for 8 records. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching.